Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make tunnel wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Single phase energy meter, double pole MCB circuit breaker, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, switch 1, switch 2, switch 3 and switch 4. All are two-way switch. Phase connection input to single phase energy meter. Neutral connection input to energy meter. Neutral connection outgoing from energy meter to connect MCB circuit breaker. Phase connection outgoing from energy meter to connect MCB circuit breaker. Neutral connection outgoing from MCB to connect switch 1, again connect switch 2, then connect switch 3 and then connect switch 4 L2 terminal. Output connection from switch 1 to bulb 1, output connection from switch 2 common terminal to bulb 1, output connection from switch 2 common terminal to bulb 2, output connection from switch 3 common terminal to bulb 2, output connection from switch 3 to bulb 3, output connection from switch 4 common terminal to bulb 3. Phase connection input to switch 1 L1 terminal, then switch 2 L1 terminal, switch 3 and switch 4 L1 terminal. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.